background, homie, my mama even banged out. I'm off them things that got me sleeping with the clouds. I'm the one you hit to come change the weather in the drought. Like, often when I'm riding, bad bitch beside me on some fuck rap shit. That's why no label want to sign. Investigation, the feds want to indict me. The truthful, so let them hit them lights, we on the high speed. He know he wanna meet me in the back of the stove. Yeah, I'm popping out his peephole, blowing like a C4. Popping out his bitch, cause she was talking on the. You know why, get up on him. I can run it into the morning. Everybody know me, I'm out here buzzing like some cola. His paperwork, he out here working with the rollers all for. If that's what it is.
Is it car park?
Yeah.
Alright, let's just drive straight and we'll be straight.
Oh, I'm pulled over.
You're straight, just fucking, you're not doing shit.
Yeah, I know. Alright then, G. I'll hit you up in a bit or something.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hey, what's up, man?
My name is Officer Mara with Ocean Police Department. The reason I pulled you over is because you don't have a front license plate.
Yeah, correct.
And then you have blue license plate lights. You
Oh,
have
those
white ones.
Oh, those are bad?
Yeah, so they
Really?
have to be.
You want me to roll down my back windows? I have my key right here. It's because I had to unlock it so I could get the paperwork out already.
Gotcha. I mean,
Is that chilling?
no, I can see.
Alright, bet,
It's
bro.
fine.
Bet.
Yeah. It's not a big deal. Just gonna get that fixed.
Yeah,
but
thank you,
for
bro.
the time being, do you have your license, registration?
I do, bro.
insurance?
It's in my. Well, actually, it's right here, actually.
Going for a cruise on the Strand.
Yeah, I was with my homie. We're just cruising and stuff.
It's better to do it at night because can't really do it in the day because there's too many people in too many cars. You know?
I'm sorry. It's better to do it at night.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've been here for a while. That's my ID. My bad. Oh, okay. Here's the thing. That's my new address, and this is my old address on my driver license. Okay. My ID has my new one. I just haven't redone my driver license because I just did it, and I was living at the other place.
On the ID.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
This is my address now.
Alright, sounds good. Yeah. Sure, be an issue.
Yeah, bro.
Do you have the insurance and
yeah, bro.
registration?
Registration right here. My insurance is on my phone. Let me
that works just as fine.